towards the next segment of part 2 of benzene. In this part we are going to discuss about one of the very vital reaction of benzene, not only benzene, aromatic compound, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. First of all Friedel-Crafts reaction and then halogenation we will discuss. In the Friedel-Crafts reaction we have to remember that in the Friedel-Crafts reaction it is the introduction of alkyl or acyl, that means acyl group in the aromatic ring. That means to introduce alkyl group or acyl group in the aromatic ring is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. How it can be possible? In our reaction, I am not writing that statement, only the reaction process I have written over here. I am writing over here. Now benzene I have taken, but you can take any aromatic compound over here, which can respond to the Friedel-Crafts reaction. That aromatic compound I am telling you about that. Now here one Lewis acid we have to take. Lewis acid, like aluminum chloride I have taken over here. Aluminum chloride is taken and alkyl halide is taken over here. That is, alkyl group is there and halide is there. Whenever alkyl halide is taken and when the reaction is happened, what will happen? That means this alkyl group introduced into here. That means alkyl derivative of benzene is prepared, so which is known as alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that means introduction of alkyl group as HX will be prepared over here. Specific example I am giving over here. Specific example, as for example, anhydrous aluminum chloride is taken along with say CH3Cl. So what will be the product over here? Obviously the product, in place of R it will be CH3 group. So this is the R group, alkyl group, so and it will be HCl. So it is toluene. Toluene has been prepared. So alkyl derivative of benzene has been prepared. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now acylation, that means introduction of acyl group. Let us see that also. What do we have to use here? Aluminum chloride is same, anhydrous aluminum chloride should be used over here, and acyl halide we have to take. Acyl halide, that means acyl group. This is the acyl group. Will be there. So what will happen over here? Introduction of acyl group. So the introduction of acyl group is there. So that's why it is known as what? I think we can write over here acylation. This is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. So it is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now in this acylation, exact example I am taking over here. Exact example, if this is asked, give an exact example of acylation. Exact example, let me consider benzene ring is reacting in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, in case of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and CH3COCl, ethanoyl chloride. So what will be the product over here? Obviously this is the RCO group, acyl group. It will prepare this one along with HCl, acetophenone. The compound prepared, that is known as acetophenone. So acetophenone is prepared. So this is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. In the and the thing is that we have to remember that whenever the alkyl halide ring chain is bigger, that means say this alkyl halide is taken over here and with another aluminum chloride. We have to think you have to remember that the product will be this. Due to having more stability comparing to this carbon. Okay, so whatever, so this will be the product. So this is the process of Friedel cap reaction. Hope that we have understood the Friedel cap reaction. Again I am telling you, Friedel cap reaction having two type of Friedel cap reaction. One is acylation, introduction of acyl group, that means this one, and alkylation, the last one. Again I am showing it is there, that is alkylation. Alkyl group is introduction, so it is alkylation. So we have to remember that alkylation and acylation, both of these. Now the thing is that most of the time solvent, here the solvent used, that is